Guys, I'm back when I make another slime video with our color. Now that we have our glue out, it's literally still going. Okay, I'll get back to you when the glue is finished. Okay, the glue is finished, so now we're going to be using this color, and I have to make this color look so good when it comes out. So let's just get started. That's enough. So this is bright magenta, I thought it was, because that is not bright magenta, that is hot pink, which I love. Right now. Yo, this looks so pretty. But it got glitter in it somehow. Oh, and guys, I got fake nails to put on. Never, ever tried them, and I'm not really a big fan of them. So I was like, well, sure. They were $1. So I was like, I'm gonna try them, but they're cute ones. This is one of my best slimes I feel like so far I've ever made, because I'm loving this color. This is the color for me, but it's gonna turn purple. I need help, professional help. So now we're just activating it, and it's turning purple. Teardrop. Okay, a little bit of activator at a time. I like containers better than I do plastic bags, but I mean, containers are expensive. I mean, like, who got the extra money to be buying containers? Like, it better be the rich YouTubers, which I am not. As you can tell, because I have 6 subscribers. So you better share this with your friends and tell them to subscribe me, because if you don't, you don't even want to know. It's looking ugly now. Like, it's pink, but it's ugly. We're making it work. Right now we're just mixing and mixing. Mix away. My skin is coming off because I keep holding the fork a certain way and I keep mixing. Okay, this is not a bad color. It's like breast cancer pink, which is cute. I support breast cancer. That is good for, I think, the rest of this one.
Do you need more bags?
They're being so loud talking about Christmas stuff. I wrapped my gifts already. This hurts my hand now. I think that's good for the rest of the slime for activator. It might be, I don't know. I keep putting holes in the bottom of it because of the fork. Can't wait to see my cousins. They're so nice. They're so fun. Do you ever have like the best cousin when they just like are so fun? Comment down below if you have like one of the best cousins ever. Julia is fun. Elijah is fun. Like they're my favorites. I love them. I thought this would turn out ugly, but it's turning out pretty cute. I just like the way it was before, how it was like so bright and just so pretty. See, thinking about pink makes me cry because it's just so pretty. I have pink on my shirt. Like, this is a cute pink.
I know it. So this is like our Christmas tree. I have no idea what Molly did with the tape.
I ain't touched the tape. Just kidding, I did touch the tape. Okay, so we're gonna get our hands in. I think that's good. I think I'm gonna add more pink. Too much activator. It's okay, because we have stuff left, see? And it's like still wet, so it'll make it. I don't think that was too much activator yet, just because it's making the slime break. We are 30 minutes late to this party. And we're probably going to be longer than 30 minutes late to the party. Probably a whole hour because we were busy. And my family never starts anything on time. But that's okay because that's just our family. Every family has things about them. Our family is really late to things. Do you comment down below if you guys think this will really turn out clear? It's just gonna stay how it is. I think it's gonna stay how, because like it looks like this. How will it turn into that? So yo, this is huge. There's still more. This is one of the biggest without shaving foam slimes I've ever made. This is bubblegum pink, which is kind of cute, but I really like that bright magenta look. I might be having another YouTube account, and it'll be Nolani Cruette, because I have an iPod now, as you guys know. So yeah, I probably will be. This is my outfit of the day. Let's do the outfit of the day. Teal shirt, teal skinny jeans with ties with holes in them, and then black Huaraches. Black Huaraches are not the only shoes I have. I just really like my house Huaraches. Like all new slapping slime. I could advertise. Ding. Yo, that'd be so cool. It's like slapping slime. Ding. Did you hear that? It's so cool. Okay, so if you can guess the word, we're gonna play a little game. If you can guess what I'm saying, I'm not gonna talk. If you can guess what I'm saying down below in the comment section, I will give you a shout out on YouTube. Okay. Comment down below what you think I said. I'll repeat it 2 more times. Comment down below if you know. So, I would like for this to say this color, but it would also be really cool if it turned clear. So now we're just going to place it down and grab up all this extra stuff that was left on here. Oh, this is getting really sticky now. No lie, guys, please go follow me on TikTok at Nalani.Tourette. My picture is a kind of dark-skinned baby Kanda. And she has a little red bow on, because that's my little baby girl twin. And if you don't have TikTok, go download it. I mean, it sounds corny, but it's so much fun. Look at what I did to the plate, bro. Slime review on 3, 2, 1. So guys, here's the finished product. Stretchy. Let's do slime swirl. Let's do a slime swirl. Let's do a slime swirl, but add some activator first. It's a little too sticky. No, I ruined it. It's getting too hard now. I hate it. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Let's see. The glue. Still some leftover glue in here, guys. Okay, now it's too sticky, but I don't care because it will get harder. But it is slime swirl material. Yes, all day. Okay, clicking. Perfect. Ooh, bubbles. Make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications on, like this video, and comment down below if you actually do like this video, and comment down below what should I do on my video, and you'll be a part of the Nalani Posse if you subscribe. Bye guys, love you!